If you'd like to learn how to draw a basketball that doesn't look like a flat orange circle, then you've come to the right place. It does help to watch one being drawn though, which is exactly what this video will do. Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher who's been teaching kids how to draw for more than 20 years. If you want to draw this basketball with me, just go get a pencil and some paper and we can get started. I'm going to be following this step-by-step tutorial that's available on my website using the link below. Also, here's a helpful beginner tip. Try working with center pencil guidelines on your paper. They always help me plan my drawing. Step number 1. The first thing to draw is this very large circle shape. I'm going to make some marks to help me plan how big it should be. A mark at the top, and bottom, and right, and left will help me draw a circle that fills up my paper. Now I can place my pencil on the top mark and carefully draw a curve down that meets up with the right mark. Pause for a moment and check that your shape looks like a quarter circle or kind of like a slice of pizza. If it looks a little flat, now is a good time to fix it. Once you feel like your quarter circle is looking good, continue drawing a round shape that goes through the other marks you've made. Work slowly, which will probably give you your best results. There's certainly no reason for rushing. Step number 2. Now we can start adding the curved lines inside this basketball, and this is the first one to draw. Once again, it helps to make marks on the circle to clearly see where this line should start and stop. When you have the marks, place your pencil on the top one and draw a gentle curved line that goes down to the bottom one. Step number 3. The next line is kind of the opposite and looks like it makes a curved X shape. Start with making marks where the lines start and stop. Place your pencil on the left and draw up until you connect with the mark on the right. Step number 4. Now we can draw that curved line near the top of the ball. Once again, make marks on the circle for where this line is going to start and stop. Then place your pencil on the left. Draw a line that curves down a bit, crosses the center line, and then goes back up to that other mark. Step number 5. Okay, the last line is this long one near the bottom. Once again, I'm adding marks to plan my line, and I'm even adding an extra middle one to make sure the spacing is even here. Place your pencil on the bottom mark, draw up in a gentle curve to meet that middle mark, and then down to the right one. Step number 6. Now we need to take an extra step to make these inside lines look thick. The best way to do this is to draw another line next to all the ones we've just drawn, about a 1/4 inch away or so. Step number 7. You can do this on either side. Just draw slowly so that they are as even as they can be. Step number 8. Now, unless we want our basketball to look like it's flying in the air, we do need to add a horizon line. Step number 9. Okay, here's the fun part, tracing all of our basketball lines with a black marker. It's also a good idea to do this step slowly too, so you can get your smoothest lines. Now we can go back and fill in those double basketball lines. Using a black marker will make them really stand out. Okay, before we bring out any crayons, it's good to take a moment to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. Now it is coloring time. I'm going to use these new beeswax crayons that I found online. The orange is the perfect color, and I can just go right over those marker lines. Next, I'd like the floor to be a darker color than the basketball, so this brown I think is a good choice. And finally, the background. I think a cool green will contrast nicely with all that warm orange basketball color. And that, my friends, is how you can draw a basketball that really looks like a basketball. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find hundreds more art lessons, which over the years have helped millions of kids learn how to draw. There's one for how to draw a baseball and a soccer ball. I hope you try them out too.